So the material is not really good. So don't buy these, guys. Okay, don't buy this. It's not worth it.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May.
Hello everyone, may package po tayong dumating. So I think this is the white bedsheet that I ordered. I ordered another white bedsheet, guys, because I am so loving it, guys. Ang white bedsheet na kasi parang ano, guys, nasa hotel pag ganun. Yes, so yeah, I really love the white bedsheets. So I bought another one para may kapalit yung isa, guys. So, yes, let's open it. Yes, I told ya. So, this is the white one. Yes, guys, as in a 100% cotton siya. So, I ordered the same. Yes, guys. So, ayan. Juego de Sabanas. It says, Juego Sabanas 100% algodon. Algodon is cotton, 180. Yes, guys. So, yeah. Ito nga yung binili ko na una. And this is our second white bedsheet, guys, na binili sa Amazon. So, ayan. I'm going to wash it para palitan ko na yung bedsheet namin bukas. Yes, so, ayan, guys. Let's go wash it. Okay, guys, so this is our table. As you can see, Lakota took this out, the cereal, her water, and she lined up all her Shopkins and super zings. Yes, so I have to take all this out and put here inside her bag. Yes, and look, guys, these are the chair covers that I bought, guys, for Christmas. Maybe if you have been following me, and maybe you probably watch this, guys. So ito yung mga pinamili ko chair covers. So tingnan nyo, guys, kung anong nangyari, because hindi siya tela, guys, as in ang tela niya is pang craft, ganyan. Yes, felt yung material niya. Kaya, ayan. As in na, nagsibutasan na sila, guys. So, yes, ayan. Look. Ayon. 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 This one, guys, hindi siya nabutas. But almost. Kasi walang nakaupo dito. Pero almost, ayan na siya, oh. Yes, so, ayun. Yan yung chair ni Hailey. As in na. Tapos yun naman si Habi. Doon naman siya. And, yes, guys. Tapos, dito naman ako. Look. Ayan. So, the material is not really good. So, don't buy these, guys. Okay? Don't buy this. It's not worth it. Yes. It's not worth it. Maganda siya, but it's not really. It's not totally. It's not worth it, guys. So, don't buy. Don't waste your money. Luckily, I bought this for 18 euros. Yes, these 6 pieces. Yeah. Okay, so let's pick up, guys, yung mga kailangan na gawin dito. I'm not going to clean that much because, you know, this is my routine. So what we are going to do is just to pick up and stretch the sofa and also the pillows and fold the blankets. And also keep yung laruan ni Lakota sa lamesa. And that's all, guys. Let's pick up also these slippers and shoes, boots of Lakota. Yes, and then let's vacuum. Ayun, may dumi doon. Yung ano ng Christmas tree natin. Ganyan, guys, ang artificial Christmas tree. Sometimes pag itouch mo, nagsisilaglagan. Let's get started and let's do this. Let's pick up all the things that are on the table. I am picking Lakota's Hatchimals and Shopkins and putting them in her bag. After picking all the things that were on the table, and now it's time to take out all the chair covers. Let's pick up some toys that are on the kids' table. After that, and now it's time to fold the blankets, stretch the pillows and the sofa. After that, it's time to vacuum. So satisfying when you see the lines of the carpet after vacuuming. Alright, so here is our living room after stretching the pillows, the sofa, and after folding the blankets, and of course after vacuuming. It looks so clean, so satisfying after tidying. So let's go and vacuum our staircase. I realized that our mirror here is dirty. I didn't clean it. As you can see, when the light reflects, you can see the smudges. After vacuuming the staircase, and now we are in our kitchen, and I am wiping down. Yes, I mean I'm drying the pots because it's still quite wet, and I also I am keeping the bowls and also the colander. And now we have no water, so it's time to change this gallon of water. Russell is outside, he is playing, and sometimes he comes and see me. So as you can see, I just carried 19.8 liters of water. My husband weren't home at this moment, so I had to do it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and comment, and hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye!